Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove all poke in Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to remove all of your pokes from your Facebook, now to do that what you have to do is simply open up your Facebook application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, then tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right. After tapping on that, from here you should find an option which is activity log. So you will find activity log, just simply select it, and after selecting your activity log now, and from here you will find your Facebook activity option, just simply tap on it. So after tapping on that option, just scroll all the way down and you will find other activity option, just simply tap on manage other activities, and after tapping on manage all activities you will find all the activities that you have in your Facebook, and from here you just have to tap on filters which is on the top. After tapping on that, just simply tap on category, and after tapping on category just simply tap on pokes. You will find in the bottom, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that you will find all your pokes over here. What you can do is just simply tap on delete, or you will find clear all option. You just have to tap on it and you will delete all your pokes and you will remove it from your Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to remove all poke in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.